Here's what moved markets today. Ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East drove oil prices sharply higher, creating pressure across traditional equity markets. Energy price increases contributed to renewed risk-off positioning in stocks, amid concerns about broader economic impacts. In crypto markets, Bitcoin experienced selling pressure from short-term holders, while Ethereum declined below the $2,000 level. The price movements occurred during a period of elevated volatility across both traditional and digital asset markets. In product expansion, Coinbase announced regulated crypto futures access for European traders. The launch extends institutional-grade derivatives trading infrastructure to European markets under MiCA regulatory framework. In space-based mining developments, startup StarCloud announced plans to deploy the first Bitcoin mining satellite into low Earth orbit. The project represents an experimental approach to cryptocurrency mining infrastructure, though technical and economic viability remain to be demonstrated. Prediction market platforms Polymarket and Kalshi are reportedly seeking $20 billion valuations in ongoing funding discussions with investors. The private market pricing reflects growing institutional interest in blockchain-based prediction and forecasting platforms. On-chain data shows approximately 36.8 billion XRP tokens trading below their acquisition cost, representing $50.8 billion in unrealized losses across the holder base. The metric reflects the distribution of underwater positions following recent price movements. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:35 Central European Time, gains are concentrated in established protocols. 0x up 6.59%, Zcash adding 5.96%, and Kusama gaining 4.55%. Strength across decentralized exchange infrastructure, privacy-focused protocols, and Polkadot ecosystem tokens. On the downside, selling is modest. Monad down 2.08%, Berachain off 1.90%, and Knight declining 1.64%, giving back a small portion of recent gains after yesterday's strong performance in these newer protocols. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index pulls back to 20, returning to fear territory after briefly reaching 29. The reversal reflects the recent price pressure in crypto markets, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum experiencing declines amid geopolitical tensions and broader risk-off positioning. Sentiment has retraced from the recent high of 29 back to 20 over the past few sessions, coinciding with the period of heightened volatility, short-term holder selling pressure, and rotational price action we've been tracking. The index shows sentiment remains fragile. The oscillation between 20 and 29 over recent weeks demonstrates that market psychology has not yet established a sustained directional trend. Fear remains the dominant sentiment despite periodic improvements, with conditions still well below neutral levels. That's your Bitcoin Suisse daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.